Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to make spinach artichoke dip. So for this recipe, we need 2 cloves of garlic, 1 small onion, 1 can of artichoke. I use this brand. 200 grams of raw spinach, 1 cup of grated cheese, 1 pack of cream cheese, half a lemon, and 1 cup of mayonnaise or yogurt. So in a pan, we will saute our garlic and onions. Then you can add your artichoke hearts. And you can start adding our spinach. So when it's already wilted, you can already turn off the heat and add our cream cheese. Then when our cream cheese is all melted, we can now add our mayonnaise. You can also use yogurt if you want this more lighter. Then we're just going to add half a lemon to cut down the fattiness of this dish. Then we're just going to season it with a little bit of salt and pepper. Be careful with the salt because we're still adding grated cheese on top. Then we're just going to transfer the mixture to a baking tray. Then we're just going to top it with grated cheese. You can use mozzarella cheese, grated parmesan cheese, but I'm just using normal cheddar cheese. And we're just going to bake it for 20 minutes covered so that the cheese won't burn. After 20 minutes, you want to remove the cover so that you can allow the cheese to brown on top. So as you can see, the cheese didn't really melt on top because we didn't use quick melting cheese, we used cheddar cheese. You can opt to use quick melt cheese if you wish. So to get that brown finish, I just used a torch for this. So let's try this dip. It's still wet at the bottom. So let's try it again. It's actually quite far from the usual spinach artichoke dip that you tried in the famous Italian restaurant or in the buffets that you have tried, because I didn't use any parmesan cheese in this. I didn't use mozzarella. I'm just using normal cheddar cheese. You can opt to use any kind of cheese that you want to make this dish closer to the original. But for now, you can also try this recipe. It's also good. You can also pair this with baked salmon. Put this in your pasta or macaroni. So if you have enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And see you on my next one. Stay safe.